Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Canva education creator. Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to create beautiful designs with ease. As a Canva education creator, you will have access to amazing tools that make it easy to create digital content that is both visually engaging and informative. The Canva Education Creators Program allows educators to make money by making educational templates. The first step to becoming a Canva education creator is to create a free Canva account. You may use my partner link on the screen, partner.canva.com/shellreyes. When you are done setting up your profile, you will then be able to access a range of templates and designs that you can customize to your own needs. Start creating a few original designs. Once you have created a few designs, you can then apply to become a Canva education creator. It's easy. Here, I'll show you how to apply. Once you have set up and logged in, you will be able to go to the home page. So go to Education tab, hover over to Become an Education Creator, click on that, and it will lead you to this Education Creator page where you can see everything about becoming an education creator. What is the program about? Who's qualified to become an education creator? What are you going to do? How are you going to create templates? So basically, on this page, you will learn more about the program. It has a frequently asked questions content that will explain or answer any question that you might have about the education creator program. So just go ahead and browse through that page, and then once you are ready, click sign up and you will be directed to a form where you need to fill out the necessary information about yourself, your personal and school email, and all other information that might be needed from a creator. You will also need to provide a proof that you have some experience using Canva. So put in links to templates you have created previously, and make sure to also be ready to answer the question, what does an education creator mean to you? And please do not forget to select here in the referral field Canva creator if you have learned about this from me. And if you make the cut, please don't forget to mention my name, Shell Reyes, as the creator who referred you to the program. When everything else is complete, just submit and wait for an email from Canva if you got accepted. And once you're in, you may start creating and earning with your templates. So that's it. All the best in your application. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To hit that notification bell for more videos from me. Bye.